So here at the Schönbrunn Palace in Vienna, Austria, the summer headquarters of the Habsburgs. They also had winter quarters, 3 miles away, because you had to have two palaces. And you can see there's some opulence here. So the Habsburgs obviously felt worthy of abundance and great things. We're all equally worthy. And so we want to, nurture that feeling of worthiness, maybe not so much with the entitlement and having it at the expense of other people. And let's see what we can do about that. So, taking full responsibility for your own well-being. I choose to feel worthy of great things. And I choose to love and accept myself. I choose to feel worthy of great things. And I choose to love and honor myself. I choose to feel worthy of great things. I choose to feel worthy of beautiful things. I choose to feel worthy of abundance and maybe even opulence. I choose to feel worthy of great things. And I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. And maybe anyone else who may have told me that I wasn't so worthy. Because I choose to feel that free. I choose to feel worthy of great things. I choose to feel worthy of abundance. I choose to clear the doubts that I'm worthy. I also choose to clear my resistance. There might be part of me that says, as I look at this abundance and opulence, this came at the expense of other people. It's the result of entitlement. And so I confuse worthiness with entitlement. I don't want to be a bad person. So part of me might resist abundance and all kinds of great things because I associate it with abundance and entitlement. So I'd rather be a poor, good person and I choose to love and appreciate those parts of me that have resisted abundance, that have resisted all kinds of great things, that have avoided all kinds of great experiences in an effort to maintain my integrity. I choose to be open to the possibility that there might be some misunderstandings there. I can experience all kinds of abundance, all kinds of great things, without it harming anyone. I'm clearing up that confusion so that it feels safe to feel worthy, so that it feels acceptable to feel worthy. Because deep down inside, part of me knows that I'm worthy. Part of me knows the truth. That I am a magnificent child of the universe, worthy and deserving of the best this world has to offer. Just as worthy and deserving as the Habsburgs. And I'm clearing the resistance, clearing the doubt, clearing the doubts and confusion all the way back through my past. Back through all the times in my life that I somehow got the message that I wasn't worthy. That I could only have just so many good things. And maybe not any great things. Misunderstandings. Mine or someone else's. And I'm releasing those. Rediscovering the truth. That I am worthy and deserving of great things. And I'm allowing myself to say yes to more great things. In body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep breath. And hopefully, as you look at this opulence, you might feel more comfortable, might feel more open, might even feel like, yes, you know what? Maybe I am worthy and deserving of great things. Because you are. And as you allow yourself to experience those, you have more to share with others, and you can inspire others to feel more worthy as well. It's a win-win situation. Please and thank you. And when other stuff gets in the way, I'm here for you. Thanks.